back to my channel. I know it's been long since I uploaded anything because I was like literally busy and a lot of stuff was going, but here I am back shooting a vlog this time. This lockdown altogether has been like really upsetting for all of us. I have not gone out of my house for the past 6 to 7 months. Can you imagine, like literally 6 to 7 months, and that's 2 months. So today is like a happy day for me and I'm a bit excited and to go out especially and to get ready. Of course girls love to get ready, so do I. The thing is that my cousin brother is getting engaged today and बहुत सालों के बाद actually, तो काफ़ी टाइम के बाद something like this is happening. For me it's like I'm getting rid of a cage or something, क्योंकि 6 महीने बाद घर से निकलना, it sounds really exciting. So this engagement party will be like concised towards just family members and close friends and not much people, probably not more than 50 people I guess. So we got to know about today's event like in a very short notice, so I didn't really have time to actually go out there and explore the market for my outfit and stuff. So Myntra has always been my savior. So of course I have searched a million outfits on Myntra and I got finally one for today's event, which I will be showing to you all after this intro things end. And also please don't judge me on my choice or my setup or the way I look, because I want to keep it as natural as possible. So I'm not really sure how much will I be able to like shoot at the venue, because of course a lot of people will be present there. लेकिन मैं try करूँगी जितना भी मैं कर पाऊँ, and I'll try to make this like a complete vlog series. I think बातें बहुत हो गई. Let's not just bore you guys. Straight get into the video, and अब मैं next मिलूँगी probably after getting ready and stuff. Till then you can see my outfit. Excited. So guys, this is my this plain dupatta and I really like the fabric, the quality. I think the golden embroidery is really popping out, the maroon color, and I think it was very much event appropriate. You guys tell me that this color suits me or not. I really liked it and I'll give the link in the description. These are the earrings that I chose to wear. I don't remember ordering them online, so I have bought them from the local market. I think it was perfectly complementing my outfit and I really like them. You guys tell me, how does this look? I don't know how much the camera is focusing on the details, but it's actually really beautiful. These were my second. So these earrings were my second choice. I thought of just sharing with you since I shot the clip. These multicolored ones and the golden ones, I didn't really wear them, but I found them really pretty, so showed you. Hi people, so I have reached and say hi. Or Shri. Okay, so this cute little girl, ये है मेरी भतीजी and she's so cute. She's looking like a Minnie Mouse, na? Yes. And the destination is quite good actually. We are enjoying. So the best thing about the Indian functions is that you get to hear the Bollywood music. Okay, I don't know if you can hear me actually or not. Guys, vlogging is like a serious job, okay? So that's my attire. I hope you like it. We have reached the place, guys. And how I look. ये बात नहीं है. Say hi. Hi. That's my sister, cousin. Seriously, kids. Kids everywhere. Cute. So the ceremony is happening. Everybody is leaving actually. Okay, now I have to be pretty quick. I've got to introduce that my Hanja, my baby. Say hi to the camera. Hello. Jump.
और हाथ इधर कैमरे देखिए.
Hi guys, so I will be ending this vlog right here. I had a lot of fun. Of course, you have seen that in the vlog. And now it's time for me to leave. Please like if you like the video. And it was just like a small attempt to make a vlog. I'm still not a pro at it. I'm learning, but it was fun actually making a vlog. You know, talking with myself on the camera. Although everyone was like staring at me, wondering what am I doing with my phone all the time. But anyway, I enjoyed a lot. I hope you enjoyed with me as well. And now I'll be ending this video right here, and I'll try to make more interesting, entertaining content on my channel. Till then, stay tuned. Please like, share, subscribe, and lots of love and virtual hugs from me to you. Bye.